Welcome back and good day, my beautiful people. Sorry for the mess. Don't know today we I cook some flour, some saltfish, with some butter bean, you know. Yeah, man. So see the skeleton time there. I have the onion and the pepper in the fridge. I have a piece of pear there. Yeah, man. So you know where the chefs go. I have some. What is name? Yeah, paneer excited, you know. So you see what go on? There, they just make bean, is it? Yeah, man. Steven at the building. Alright, so you get the flour needed, you know. So shake up that little bit. So the outside now, you know? Outside for the next banger. Make it start the flour them, you know? Yeah. Alright, let me get this oil pot heavy and put it on the stove very quick. Yeah guys, so I eat man. Alright, so water look like it too much. Show off look. Yeah man. From a 0 to 100 really quick. Yeah guys, so as you can see, the place is under construction, so you know how it go. Light the fire here now. Got to get some salt, so here I go on. So the water, dashed off for the saltfish. Yeah, so you know where I go on. Rinse off the bag, yeah. After, put the saltfish in it and put it in the pot, make it salt up. So, as I tell you, the bag, yeah, let it wash out. Saltfish them night. Alright, we want to get off the labor off it. See me? Yes man. Yeah guys, good to go now. So get the saltfish them. Add them to the bag. So tie that now. Just like that. Okay? I tie it one more time. And put in the pot. Make some incision on the bag. Look over like. Yeah. Put in the pot. Get the cover real quick. Make the water warm. They don't know how the flour them, but for now, we can chop up the season them. Yeah. Chop up the season them real quick. As I said before, I have an onion. One more onion. It's a bigger tomato because that's a whole heap of saltfish. Alright, so that won't be adding any of these seasonings to it, guys. You might don't know when I cook chicken and think they put them in, but we don't have any sweet pepper now, so So bam. Alright, so can't find the meat board, so here we go. Chop up them pan this. Yeah man. Alright, so what me have for now. Yes man, so the new shape go. And if I do, if I fully dull, now I dull too. Anyway, you know hungry time now. Hungry carb, so they have to go on chip up, you know. Alright, so get these washed up guys. You wanna remove right here and down here. Alright, so get them clean up. Well, wait everyone, I jar down the plate. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah man. Nothing like Jamaica, you know? Yes man. Great old Scotch bonnet. Alright guys, so that's that. See? Our next butter bean. Oh, we have our next butter bean right here. The oil. Oil's right here. Yeah guys, so meanwhile the pot boil. Flour, let's go and sit down. Get the flour covered real quick. Alright. Look at the progress. Water come up. Okay. Right. Get the season them cut up. Get it as small as possible because it will be, you know. Just like that. Yeah man. And some fish have whole heap of season like that. Them time they nice, you know. Oh, you think if I did all my what in other? So I go on, fully sharp. So I hold my finger and take it off. Yeah. Alright guys, so you see them pepper seed there, what I want to do? Make it hot in the food. Now fry them in the oil while the oil hot. Yeah, so in here, down see right so. So that's like that. We'll look on the pot now, see how far it there boil up, you know? That's like that. Alright now, see that? Progress. So can add the flour them now still on. I'll start add them and thing. Yeah guys, so like how the flour put down one thing, what you want to do is turn it over back, you know? Yeah, look at water in the base here. Then you want to go and see? I need the flour, I always leave a local insurance, see me? My insurance here. Can't spoil, you know? Great calm dumpling. You're strong, you know? Yes, man. Don't know why, just like that. Alright guys, look what I'm going now. Ooh, what a boil over. What a boil over, people. So see there? First one is there, you know? So we're going, they're not too pretty now, but can go on, you know? So we're going, create our cup dumpling. See? Yeah man, first one this in the pot. Go and take our pot, go on in there. First one that in the pot, see eh? What a boil up. Yeah man, so I'm gonna make the rest of the dumpling right now. So we're going, carrot weed, you know? Cup dumpling. Yeah. Right man. Add it to the pot. Yes, I. Alright. Alright, so I have a whole lot more dumplings for making it. So I'll make them out now. All the dumpling has been made. So we're going. Give them a quick stir so they don't stuck up at the bottom of the pot. Oh! Oh guys, my finger. I want to hold my finger. My finger go down at the bottom of the pot. Now water. Alright man, see cat wheel them are going? Yes I. Oh. Cover that. Next 20 minutes. Flour ready. So let me get this washed up real quick because I don't know how this make a fry this. Saltfish and the beans. Butter beans, you know, and season them. Alright guys. Alright, turn this down back real quick. You want to light the pot of the stove, you know? Once you light the stove, you know, the pot go on warm. Go on normal flour, them a boil, look here. On the style here. Great old Jamaican, you know? If you put on frat over here, now, you know. Yeah man, so here we go. We get starfish over here so now. Okay guys, so we have the starfish here. Kinda cool it down, you know. So what you basically want to do, you want to take off the scale off of the starfish and then debone it and pick it. Yeah man, so I get here now. What's supposed to warm enough. Yeah. And I said a pigtail. Yeah guys, so just add the oil to the pot. This is how you want your saltfish and your seasoning to be look. So I'm going. Don't know, fry up everything now and fully nice season soaking the saltfish. As I tell you, the oil is hot yet, so I went that go and see this so we that get hot in the pot, see me? Yeah man, so when you see that get hot in the pot, you know say that hot up your oil. See me? Yeah man, flour them are going to simmer down. But next 3 minutes we can lock off the stove. The side of the stove, you see me? Yeah man. Jar the butter bean them a bit closer. So oh wait. We'll get some of the Rihanna view. That's a farmer put it. So go on. Yeah. Get something to drink right in the kitchen now guys. Have some Kool-Aid mix up in that fridge. Yeah. You want water? Oh, put it back. Alright. So why put it on the ground? Yeah guys, so I eat that, you know? So get piece of party ice, you know? Top it up. Yes man. Rum punch in store, you know? Alright. I check on the oil. It's like when I turn up the stove, look a bit. I want to burn up the pot enough, guys, because the stove is burn black. The thing that they want to change pan it, so you know that go. Because I find condom just I use, you know. First time using damage winter come out of the container. So we're going. So see the oil, I say something there. Yes, I. So we're going. Okay, guys, so we are the season, you know. What? No, and that can't work, man. So guys, so you want to turn your stove on low heat. You got them black pepper here, then pepper here, brown pepper. Yeah. So when they cook down, cook up, see them, and they season them and the saltfish come up in the one, you know? And you want to eat, man. So, jar the butter bean and look closer, but what you want to do? You want to cover that water pepper bud, man. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, pepper bud. Right, man. Okay, hook it up. I got black pepper, brother. Say, killing nature. Killing nature. Right, so this is the end product, you know. So I go on, I get a fork from share dumpling with. So anyway, you don't know, you don't see me alone in the kitchen and for a chef and things. So the sharing part, you know, I'm gonna really see that. So I go on, see it? Yeah, man. Right, man. Dumpling them big. What's it, Derek? How it is? Yeah, guys, I don't know. They have to test the end product. Yeah, them have to train before them go do acting. See me? Yeah, man. End product, you know? Wow. You want to try this one. Remember now, butter bean, that baked bean here. Butter bean, saltfish, calm meat dumpling. You don't know, you have to have your onion, your pepper, and your tomato. Nice one. Have a little beverage by inside, huh? Yeah, but see me have a roll back there, sir. Alright, man.
Hey, why? Well, creative over there.
Outside, I call all the time. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't know.